Hello, free, welcome in a new lecture of the lectures of Coptic language. Today we are going to talk about the adverb. The adverb is a word, a noun or adjective which follows the verb. We use in after the verb using the noun or adjective, or gen o plus noun, or m plus noun or adjective with words beginning with m, p, p, or phi, or psi. We have here an example. No is now. Tino always used in this form, or mostly used with this form, which means now. Ehu means day, in ohu means daily, mundane time. So we add in before of it. Tisage in ehu name or in America. I took daily or in daytime with someone from America. So we have here the verb followed by in, followed by another noun used as an adverb. Fo day, info it means day, daily. So bin oiken tirasti mifnan info our date of tomorrow give us today or daily. The words used as adverbs: tino means now, seoneven every time, means daily, info today, insaf yesterday, insasaf the day before, inrasti tomorrow, insarasti the day after tomorrow, in eho in daytime, in igor at night, in shorp early, in atui morning, in hanatui morning or dawn early morning, in Mary at noon, in Ruhi at evening, in Ruhi at evening, Chagov in Atui at dawn, in Rikemval at twink of an eye, in Anshashf weekly, in Avot monthly, in Timrombi yearly, in eternally, Hajin before, minutes after. You can find today's lecture in YouTube channel and in archive.org in Arabic and in English. You can find the slides and the PowerPoint, it and the fonts. وشي بهموت, thanks, shutting over routine for Neo. Until seeing you next lesson.